Hello student, this question is taken from test series 9 from the subject power electronics from the topic phase control rectifier, and it is a common data question for the question number 51. The given question, from the previous question we have calculated the value of firing angle when the DC output voltage is given 210 volts. In this question we have to find the value of firing angle for the same load when bridge is made to operate in the inverter mode with DC voltage of 210 volts. Which is nothing but when the bridge is operate in the inverter mode, the DC voltage of 210 volts, we have to find the value of firing angle alpha. Which is nothing but in the bridge is operate in the inverter mode with the DC voltage of 210 volts, nothing but the voltage of DC output voltage is nothing but minus 210 volts. That is equal to, we know the values of VML cos alpha, we have to find alpha, we have to firing angle, we have to find. We know the value of omega, that is 2 pi f into Ls by pi into I naught. That complete value the previous question we have calculated, that is 12. Then 3 into Vm is nothing but root 2 times of supply voltage divided by pi cos alpha minus 12, which is nothing but, in order to find the value of alpha, that is cos alpha is equal to 190 minus 198 into pi divided by root 2 into 3 into 230 volts. That is, after calculating this value we will get the cos alpha as minus 0.6346. In order to find the value of firing angle alpha, that is alpha is equal to cos inverse of minus 0.6346. Then the value of firing angle alpha is 129.39 degrees. Which is option 129.6 degrees, that is option, similar option A. Option A. In this session we have studied about how to calculate the value of firing angle when the bridge is operated in the inverter mode with the DC voltage of 210 volts. Thank you.